So the brand new 2021 M1 iMac is finally here, featuring 7 colors to choose from. What I decided to do, I picked up all 7 iMac colors just to do this video comparison, showing off all the colors in glorious 4K. Well, this is coming out of my pocket. Apple did not supply me with any of these iMacs. If you see any of my color comparisons, I tend to let the video do all the talking. I don't talk over it. I just let you guys enjoy the B-roll and the smooth shots. That's exactly what we're gonna do here. So there you have it. Let me know down in the comments down below what's your favorite M1 iMac color. I'm gonna also throw a voting poll in the description and a pin in the comments so you guys can vote what's your favorite color and help out the community. And you guys can even comment and talk to each other. That's what it's all about. My favorite M1 iMac color is a toss-up between the yellow and the orange. In third place being the silver. The reason why I said the silver is because it's a consistent color all around, and if you have silver products, this is gonna go along perfectly with your other Apple products. So yeah, that pretty much concludes today's video. Hope you guys found this one helpful. If you did, I appreciate it with a thumbs up. Comment down below what you guys think, and make sure you guys subscribe with notifications on. And shout out to Ridge Wallets. If you go with the 18 karat gold wallet, this is gonna somewhat match perfectly with the iMac in gold. Somewhat, or even if you have a gold iPhone. I'll throw a link in the description to Ridge.